Forests are the lungs of our planet, providing life, shelter, and endless beauty. At Nuga Retreat Hotel, we are surrounded by nature's wonders, and on this World Forest Day, we celebrate and protect them. The forests around Nuga Retreat are home to diverse wildlife, flowing rivers, and towering trees that have stood for generations. These ecosystems sustain us, and in return, we must sustain them. Nuga Retreat was built with nature in mind, ensuring that the surrounding environment remains untouched and thriving. Our commitment to sustainable tourism allows guests to enjoy the beauty of the forest without harming it. This forest is not just trees, it is a thriving home for countless creatures. Majestic predators like the Sri Lankan leopard and fishing cat roam these lands. The skies are alive with birds like the Sri Lanka grey hornbill and serpent eagle. Reptiles such as the Russell's viper and star tortoise move quietly through the underbrush. In the streams, you'll find endemic fish species like the mazia and labeo fishery, while mammals like the purple-faced langur and Indian pangolin share this land with us. Let's take a moment to appreciate the forests, not just today, but every day. Protect them, respect them, and be a part of their future. Join us in celebrating World Forest Day, because when we protect our forests, we protect life itself.